The day has finally arrived. Our brand new yoga program, The Journey of a Cosmic Soul, is available now and is completely free. Go to www.bohobeautiful.life/thegiftofyoga or simply click the link down here in the description of this video and get access now. It's amazing to see how a very small commitment of just 15 to 20 minutes a day on your mat can shift your entire being, improve the quality of your life, and impact your daily life experience with yourself and the world around you. So this is your chance to join the hundreds of thousands of others who have rolled out their mats with us in search of something more. And to find out how this free 31-class yoga program will guide you down a path of self-care and optimization. This is a gift to yourself. This is the gift of yoga. www.bohobeautiful.life/thegiftofyoga. Costs you absolutely nothing and the benefits are infinite. See you on the mat.